Namaste, welcome to Great Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're staying safe and positive. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content, for sending that positive messages. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is what new doors are opening up for you. So that is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this video is for you. Okay, so I have kept three cards on the table, so you have to select one card and then listen to your message. So sit quietly, let go of all the worries, don't think anything, and then connect with yourself, connect with your intuition. Take deep few breaths and then select a card that calls to you intuitively. So for group number one, this is the card. For group number two, and for group number three, this is the. So select the card that calls to you intuitively, and the timestamps will be listed in the description box and you can watch accordingly. So I'm gonna go with group number one. Hello group number one, if you chose this door to spirit card, then this is your reading. So door to change is what I feel like. A lot of changes are gonna happen for you guys. Look, we have 3 plus 2 5. So a lot of maybe you're going through a lot of challenges right now, but after that there will be a lot of peace. Door to peace is opening up for you guys, because you're connecting with yourself. Okay, that is what I see. You're connecting with your spirit guys, you're connecting with your angels, you're making that connection. Okay, for many of you, you have been seeking things outside of you. Maybe you have been seeking love outside of you, but you never loved yourself, or maybe you never valued yourself. Maybe you did things for other people, and at the same time you thought that I'm not doing enough, even though you were doing so much for other people. Now you realize that you have been giving so much, right? And now you're like, I want to do something for myself. I want to take care of myself. I have been taking care of so many people for so long. Now I have to do something that calls to my heart. So you are connecting with your own heart. You're connecting with your own passion. You're connecting with the things you desire to do. You are finally having that faith in yourself. That is what is opening up for you guys. Like, you are believing in your own capabilities. Maybe because of other people you lost touch, and maybe you used to like to do something, but people told that you're not good at it, and you lost touch, and finally you are opening up that. Maybe it can be a hobby of yours that you're opening up. Okay, but definitely you're opening up to a lot of spiritual love. Okay, I feel like that is the door to spiritual love is opening up, and this love is about you. You're going to love yourself, and yeah, you're going to be in this highest frequency, I feel like, of love. You're understanding your own emotions. When you're angry, you understand why you're angry. You're maybe asking questions to yourself, why I am angry right now, and you will take note of that. Maybe in the past you used to suppress your emotions, and what I see for you guys is you're not going to do that anymore. You will like take note of your emotions. When you're sad, when you're angry, when you're jealous, you're going to do a lot of shadow work also, I feel like, for this type. So maybe when you do shadow work, it's going to be very challenging. Sometimes it feels like darkness, right? But you will overcome, because you have the spirit, your spirit guides, your angels are around you. A lot of peace with this bird one. That is what I feel. Look at the feathers. A lot of peace, a lot of calmness is what is opening up for you guys. And you're going to love yourself. Finally you're going to accept yourself. Maybe you haven't accepted yourself, right? Sometimes we accept everyone, right, but we never accept ourselves. That is what I feel. Maybe you're finally like, yeah, this is me, this is how I look, and I'm accepting that, that kind of energy. Or yeah, you are accepting that you have a you have, maybe you have something in your life, you have a stable foundation, or maybe you have a stable career or something, but you want more than that, and you're gonna seek that. That is what I feel like. Yeah, we have again the garden and the gate. Look at this woman, she has the keys, and she's her, you know, her house is beautiful, there's a lot, look her garden, it's so colorful, but she's longing for something else, right? um, she has the key, she has the idea, like you have an idea that you want to pursue, but at the same time you're so scared to pursue that idea. So it's like this idea of yours will make you more connected to yourself, to your spirit guide. So it's time to take action. Maybe you need to take that key and open the gate and move forward, okay, with your goals and ideas. Maybe it can be about leaving a job, and sometimes we stress, if I leave this job, will I get the finances, will I get the security? Because, but you have a plan, you have an idea that you want to pursue, and the place where you are right now, it's okay, it's comfortable, it's good, you're in your comfort zone, but at the same time you feel that void inside of you, right? And your spirit is your spirit, your own spirit, your own heart is saying, yes, I want to do this, I want to go move forward, maybe I want to get out of this house, I want to move somewhere else, or I want to yeah, I want to change jobs, I don't want to keep doing this job, I don't want to be in this relationship for the sake of other people, because this relationship is giving me the finances, it's giving me a lot of material things, but it's not filling my soul something like that. So it's like it's like it's time to connect with your own divinity, it's time to do something for yourself, it's time to like make yourself a priority. And when you do that, this door to spirit is going to open up, the door to your own happiness. Sometimes the all happiness lies within, you know, so you are like feeling a void, I feel like, and for that you need to take action, you need to go for it, whatever your dreams are, whatever your goals are. It's like they're saying, yes, it's time to take that risk, it's time to move forward, because because this will lead to a lot of good things, you know. Maybe your life might change, and when change is not so pleasant, you know, for human beings we fear change, but the only thing that is constant is change, right? So just make that you know, be courageous and go forward, right? Because there's a lot of transformation waiting for you guys. Your character will develop, you will become a new person. That is what I feel like. But yes, you need to make that first step. Then we have next one, go to the distance. Again, look, they're like when you take that action, when you take that leap of faith, things will manifest for you guys. All you need to believe in yourself, in universe, and just go for it. Look, like the lion, sorry, the tiger. It's the tiger, I'm so sorry. So I feel like the tiger thinks, you know, when he has to catch a prey, he just he just sits some time in silence and see where the deers are and all, and then he just goes for it to hunt, right? Like that, they are telling you, just sit and connect with yourself and see what you want to do in your life. And when you know what you want to do, if you feel like, yes, I have to leave this job, I have to go move forward somewhere, or I have to leave this country, I have to move somewhere else, or whatever it is, okay, maybe it's just your limited belief that you need to get out, or maybe it's just a small change you need to make in your life, right? When you know that, just don't hold back, just move forward. And when you move forward with courage, with confidence, and with faith, and with hope, you will get what you desire. That is what I feel like. Okay, look, again we have a lot of hope, right? There is so much light. Sometimes we feel like that, oh, if I take this step, there will be a lot of darkness, maybe I'll not be happy, you know. Sometimes people assume that, but maybe this path will give you a lot of light, a lot of hope, a lot of happiness, who knows? but we need to take a leap of faith. We sometimes need to take that risk, and we sometimes don't take and feel that the comfort zone we are in is the best thing we have in our life. But no, there is so much more good awaiting for us, and the one who take the risk, they get that. So yeah, look, harmony. For some of you, you are in a relationship that is not fulfilling, but when you take that risk, when you take a leap of faith, when you get out of that, you feel I feel for many of you, you will feel harmony within yourself when will you be out of that relationship, or out of that career of yours. But you need to make that choice, whether you want to stay there, or whether you need to do something that is unknown, right? I'm hearing this infinite possibilities. When you get out of that comfort zone, that is when you will know that there are so many more possibilities for you guys. Okay, but definitely there is a lot of harmony. For some of you, it can be that you're single and you're like waiting for the one, but at the same time you're not getting out of your home, you're not making that contact. So it's time to get out. Like sometimes we believe that we are meant to be single, right? We believe that we'll never get the one. So it's like when you get out, when you take that leap of faith, when you have that when you believe in yourself, when you have that hope, and when you feel that you are going to be loved, you will be taken care of, right? That is when things align, right? Okay, so yeah, there is harmony, there is peace, there is balance, there is calmness, there is a lot of hope. Yeah, traveling lightly, simplify your life with this card. Yeah, don't take your baggage with you when you're moving forward in your life. Don't take that past baggage with you. Okay, you don't need that. Only carry the things you need to carry. Like when we go on a vacation, we carry so many useless things. What happens is that we have to carry the load then. But if we simplify things and if we carry only the things we need, it will be so easy for us, right? We don't have to carry that heavy load. So this is what they're saying. You don't have to carry. Sometimes what happens when we take a new path, we're like, oh, what is going to happen, how my finances will be, how will this work out? You don't have to think too much, you don't have to overthink about it. All you need to do is to believe in yourself, and give all that overthinking to the divine. Let them take care of it. All you need to do is what you are passionate or what you want to achieve in your life, go for it. Take that chance, work for it, focus on only that things. Don't focus on the extras that you cannot control. That is what they're telling you. Just travel lightly. Okay, so yeah, that is what I received for you guys for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. If you chose this door to personal healing and happiness, let's see what new doors are opening up for you guys. So exactly as this card says, door to personal healing and happiness, a lot of happiness is coming your way. Look at the rainbows. You have seen a lot of rains in your life. You were not able to see clearly in your life because of the rains. Now what is happening is you're going to see very, very clearly, clarity, a lot of new information. That is what is happening. Your confusion, if you were very confused, that confusion is going away. A lot of calmness. You are going to be very peaceful from within. Okay, that is what I feel. Look at the greenery, a lot of greenery, a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness, maybe achieving your goals, maybe doing something like completing a cycle, like getting a success. Maybe for some of you it's like you will complete your graduation, maybe you will get the degree and then you will start a new life, right? After the course has finished, you will want to learn something more, or maybe you will like take a job or something like that. Like a period of completion is happening for you guys. For some of you it can be maybe you will end a job and take a new job, something like that. But this new job will give you a lot of happiness, right? Something very happy, something, maybe I'm getting an achievement also for you guys. You will accomplish an achievement and that will make you very proud of yourself. You're going to attract a lot of goodness into your life. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Look, we have number 47 and we have the thinking woman. For many of you, yeah, you are going to get a lot of information. Like doors of information are opening up for you guys. The information that that is new to you. So a lot of new books, maybe you're reading, maybe you are meeting new people, new mentors that they will give you a lot of information about the things you didn't know. Maybe you are learning about esoteric information that you never knew existed, something that you never knew. You're going to read about it, learn about it. Maybe you will take an online course, and this course will help you to grow. Maybe personally it will help you to grow. Maybe it will help you to boost your self confidence, something like that. But definitely you're going to be very confident confident. You're going to be very courageous, and you will be like, yes, you will have a lot of wisdom. That is what I feel. You will have a lot of wisdom to make good decisions for your own life. Okay, and for some of you, you're going to teach new people. You may be the one who is passing this information to other people. Maybe you know about law of attraction. You know so much things, so much information is there inside of you that needs to be given to other people. So maybe you will be like doing that. You will be giving your information to other people. You might be helping other people, but definitely you are going to live a very different life. Not like your past. You're coming out of your past. You're coming out of your struggles. Now it's like a new way of living. Maybe for some of you, you might start your day with meditation, praying. Like more I feel for group number 2, maybe many of you will start do your things. Like spiritually you will be very more advanced. I feel like maybe taking care, yeah, spirituality will be very important for many of you. I feel like for this pile, yeah, and a lot of wisdom. Maybe you're taking your body seriously, like doing yoga, exercising, taking care of food, eating healthy, right? Different way of living. I'm feeling connecting with more with nature. Okay, maybe planting flowers. Okay, maybe you used to live in a city. uh, yeah, now you are like, I don't want to live in city anymore. I just want to live in a place where there's more nature, more plants, more greenery. Maybe you'll make that shift, right? So something like that. Maybe for some of you might go abroad or somewhere else to study something for higher education, and it will be also a different way of living, right? So different culture, adapting, learning about different cultures, something new. But this all things, whatever the struggle will be, you will be happy. sometimes things, there are good struggle, isn't it? So what, sometimes when we are studying something, we like that is going to be good struggle. It's not going to be a hard struggle, the struggle that we like. Right? So for you guys, I feel like there is some good struggles coming for you guys, not bad, and you will be able to overcome all that struggles. Wow. Oh, for many of you, you have been visualizing about something, and that is going to open up for you guys. Wow, we have imagined. So if you're the ones who have been visualizing, I feel you know a lot of about law of attraction. I don't know why I'm getting that vibe. You have read a lot of law of attraction books. Maybe you have been manifesting, maybe you have been watching videos about it, and you have been visualizing. But I feel like if you have been visualizing about something, that is definitely going to happen for you guys. So some of your wishes are coming true, and this card is also saying that you are very good visualizers, because with this thinking movement, you have that quality of visualization. Maybe you will give this information to other people. Like maybe you will be learning, teaching something different. Maybe yeah, I'm getting that thing is happening for you guys. Maybe you're giving this information to your parents, or to your sisters, or to your brothers who don't know. Maybe you knew that, but they don't know. Like passing on information, telling them to visualize, and they will see that, you will be a role model, I feel, for them. And they'll be, oh yeah, she changed her life, and you'll be like, yes, this is the way I changed my life. Right? So something, you are going to change your life, and I feel you will be very proud of yourself, that you did it. And Yeah, you are very wise. You're going to be very wise people. That is what I have to say. Yeah, you have been waiting for this for so long, and finally the door is opening up. Or maybe for some of you, you have been waiting to go abroad and learn this course or something. Maybe you have been waiting for a new partner, or maybe you have been waiting for this new job or dream job. So yeah, you have been visualizing, you have been aiming for it, you have been like, yes, I know I want to do it, and you have been focusing on surrendering, like you have been believing in your desire. At the same time, you have been waiting patiently for that, and that is what is happening. Okay, for some of you it's also like you will have two choices, right? Maybe you will have two jobs and all. So you will have to make a choice. Something like about choices is also coming here, and yeah, I know that you will make the best choice. Okay, because because you're very wise. So and yeah, yeah, look at the growth you have. Even though you have been visualizing, you have been growing. Even though you know or no, you don't know, you have been growing. You have been learning, you have been growing. Okay. So you have planted that seeds, and they're starting to grow, and this will give you a lot of happiness. Oh, look, for some of you, definitely moving to somewhere else, buying a new home. Maybe you have been waiting for that, or maybe you have been waiting to get yeah, you have been waiting to adopt a pet, or to adopt a child, or to get pregnant. And look, the rainbows. Look at the rainbows have been highlighted here. Look, colorful. Yeah, you're moving more into a colorful phase of your life, right? Where you will be opening new doors to your office or new doors to your home, right? mm, yeah, where maybe you always wanted a very like a home that is connected with nature, maybe where there are a lot of trees. Maybe you will be moving to that area, or maybe you wanted to move in with a partner of yours. Maybe you will be moving in with someone. That will be a new way of living, right? So yeah, maybe you're a very busy city. You used to live all your life in a city area, and now you're like moving away from the city to the mountains or something like that. But definitely this thing you have been desiring about it, and finally that is opening, and that will give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, look, transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. Yeah, you're rising above. You are rising above above of your struggles. You have, yeah, I told you, we have this rainbows here and here. So you have overcome a lot of things. You have grown, you have evolved, and you have seen the darkness, and you have understood that through darkness comes light. Yeah, if there is no darkness, if there is only light, then we will know, we will never, sometimes it's we will not know the struggles, right? So it's important sometimes to have that darkness also in our life, and through this darkness you have become more strong, more courageous. And yes, definitely a new way of living. As I told, maybe doing gardening, doing something different, connecting more with nature, moving more doing something more spiritual, maybe teaching, maybe giving advice to other people, right? Different way of thinking, different way of perceiving things. And maybe in the past, whenever you met with a struggle, you used to give up. Now you are not that kind of a person. If there is a struggle, for every struggle there is a solution, for every answer there is a solution. The higher consciousness, the higher intelligence has a solution for everything. You understand that now, and you are growing. Your roots are becoming very strong. You have been doing that. For some of you, you might be thinking, I have done so much, why I'm not seeing that happiness, why things are not manifesting for me? Because you have been making your roots stronger. Okay, and now you will reap your rewards. Yeah, you have been growing. You have been you have getting you are through these experiences, you have gained a lot of wisdom. Remember that you're very strong people. So that's it for group number 2. Bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this adjacent possibilities, this is your card. With this number 6, you're moving towards, after 5 comes number 6, right? So for many of you, there might be a situation where a door was closed, right? And so this card is saying, when one door shuts, a lot of doors open, and that is what is happening for you guys. um, lot of possibilities. You have been seeing that only, yeah, I want this job, I want this job. And what happened is like you were desiring for that job and you didn't get that job, and you thought, why I'm not getting my desire, why? And you have gone through a lot of challenges, but now you're understanding that there is so many possibilities in the universe. There is limitless possibilities in the universe. You were just your view was very small, right? And sometimes we do that. We don't see the bigger picture, and you were doing that. And finally, what I see is like you are seeing the bigger picture. You're like, yeah, maybe that thing was not for me. Maybe even if I get it, that I would never be happy with that job or maybe with that person. And you're like, nah, yeah, now I need to move forward. There's so many possibilities, and you will see that possibilities. Look, yeah, you are ready for that new possibilities. So you are, yeah, look, not for you. You're understanding that this thing was not for me. Yeah, the door shut. Yeah, one door has shut on you, and you are now understanding, yeah, that thing was not for me. Even if I could achieve that thing, I wouldn't have been happy. Now you're understanding that. Or maybe if you are in this energy where you're feeling, why that door closed, why I was not able to get into that university, why I was not able to get into that relationship, why that relationship didn't work, why that job didn't work, because there is so much more to it, because you have so much more potential, right? And that's why that didn't happen. And for you guys, it's like that is like a blessing in disguise. Sometimes things happen, right? So yeah, you are going to move away from this thing. Definitely you are going on a new journey. You're moving away from this thing. So yeah, finally. And you will see that there are so many more possibilities for you guys. For you guys, it's not one door that is opening up, like a lot of doors are opening up. You will be getting a lot of opportunities, and you will be ready for this journey. For many of you, it's like you always wanted to travel. Maybe you will be able to travel. Okay, so you have been aiming for this one thing. Maybe you have been aiming for this relationship, and you forgot that you are a free spirit. Now you're like, yes, if I have been in that relationship, I wouldn't be able to travel. So it's like now your passion is traveling, so you're like just ready, you're ready to travel. Okay, I know now the situation is not so good for travel, but definitely this is timeless reading. And yeah, traveling can be like in different ways, like to have that freedom, to have the freedom to do the things that you like. So maybe if you had that job, maybe you wouldn't have gotten that freedom. So yeah, so don't worry if that door closed on you, because there is a lot of possibilities. Now maybe you cannot see that much because your vision is like, maybe right now your vision is very small, but your vision will become big. Okay, you will see that why this happened, and it will be like, yeah, thank God I left that. You will be like, thank God that didn't happen. And you're just moving away from that thing. You're understanding that it is not for me, because I'm here for freedom. I'm here to live peacefully. I'm not here to be in control of other people. I'm here to do things my way. So maybe for some of you, it's like you will start something from your home, like maybe a business, and you will get a lot of opportunities from different people, right? So maybe that is going to happen. Or maybe you will write a book, and many people will be giving you that recognition that your book is so good. Or maybe you will travel, and through travel you will get a lot of opportunities. And that is what. So if right now in your life you have gone through a period where doors were closed on you, where people have closed their doors, maybe a relationship didn't work out, whatever happened, it's not for you guys. It's not for you, because you're meant for more greater things. You're meant to have a free life. You're meant to live the life you want. You're meant to be happy. You're meant to travel. You're meant to be like that horse. I'm getting this horse spirit. You're the bird, right, who's meant to fly high. You're meant to achieve so many things. But if you have gotten that job, maybe you will be in your comfort zone. Maybe you will not be there. Sometimes that happens, right? We will not know our own potential. So it's like maybe this thing happened so that you can understand how strong you are, how much capabilities you have, how much talents you have, and you're like, you will move move forward on a journey, and this journey will be very beautiful. Okay, look, we have the universe, right? Like it's like literally for some of you, like it's like traveling around the world, seeing different places, enjoying life. Maybe travel bloggers, maybe you didn't get that one job and now you're like, you will be in the future. I see that is what is opening up for you guys. Lot of freedom. I'm getting a lot of freedom. You will not be maybe you're not going to be restricted in one place. I feel like you will not be working with only one person. You'll be working with different people. Maybe you will build a community. Maybe you will do something through social media that will reach a lot of people, right? You will be getting recognized for your work. You will get that success. You will get that victory. So yeah, you have for that it's like, I feel like you will move away from this thing, and you are understanding that this thing is not for you, because you have a lot of doors going to open up for you guys. So if one door has closed, don't worry, because there's so much more potential. Maybe this is a past thing that one door was closed and you're like why this door closed on me, why this door closed on me? Because this door closed because you need to understand your own strength. You need to understand how talented you are. Maybe that's why that happened. Okay, so yes, slowly but surely I see you are going to move into a new direction, and in this new direction, in this new journey of yours, there will be plenty of opportunities, you will meet plenty of people who will help you. Okay, yeah, very different message but interesting. Look, cleansing water, purification activates vibrant life force. So let go of that past, right? You let go of that thing. Don't hold anything, don't hold grudge on anyone, don't hold any resentment. Just cleanse that. Just completely let go of your past and move forward, because your future is very good. A lot of happiness, lot of harmony. Look, you have number 2 and 3 and 6 here. 6, you have 2 6s, right? Lot of good things awaits you. That is what I feel like. They're not giving like it's not clear what they are. Something is mysterious. They're not giving you the full picture right now also, and you don't have the full picture right now also, but definitely there is more to it. Okay, even if you have achieved some sort of success right now, there is more to come. That is what I feel like. So cleanse all that is not good for you. Purify all that is not good for you. Okay, if you have any resentment towards anyone, just forgive them, move forward, because your life is going to be beautiful, and you will be like in the future. I feel like you will be thankful. Oh, thank God that didn't work out. Otherwise, I wouldn't know that I have so much more thing to achieve, like so much capabilities I have, and you will be very thankful for that. That is what I'm getting for group number 3. Okay, bye bye, take care.